Hi guys! Ay! Sabihin mo, hi guys, punta kami sa coffee shop. Okay. Are you excited? Ayaw mo? Galit ka?
Pwede mag-picture mo?
Sige po. Sama ko yung pusa ko. And yung favorite ko dito ay ready na. Pupunta kami sa may magandang place dito sa Osorio. And I love the halo-halo dun sa place na yun. And maganda din kasi more on nature. And I'll be writing my second novel about reparenting yourself. I'm still thinking what would be the best title, but siguro hindi ko muna isipin. I'm already done writing the whole plot. So, alam ko na yung possible na pwedeng mangyari. So, right now, ngayong araw na to, I have to focus yung chapter 1. So, lahat ng descriptive right now. See you, isasama ko ang aking pusa na kumakatok. Ano la? Sama ka. Isama ko yung pusa ko. Wait lang. Here, show to them that you're excited na sumama sa gala. Sama ka? Ha? Are you excited? You tell them na excited ka. Ha? Ay, dito yung camera, oh. You tell them. Tell them. Hi, guys. Ay! Sabihin mo. Hi, guys. Punta kami sa coffee shop. Okay. Are you excited? Ayaw mo? Galit ka? Ready ka na, la? Gala tayo, la? Doon maraming ibon doon. Mag-ano ka lang, tingin-tingin ka lang dun sa place para makalabas ka naman. Diba? Go! You say bye to them. See you guys. Sabi mo, okay, very good. See you guys. La? La lang! How's my driving, la? La la! Just arrive at Cafe Joselito pala. Let's go inside, la.
Every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet that we could see it new. I wanna let you nothing to do.
Lala, you start writing now. Lala, nandito tayo para magsulat, hindi para mag-relax. Char. Na! Magsulat ka na la, oh. Start writing na. Ang sarap ng hangin dito.
Pwede mag-picture mo?
Sige po.
Sama ko yung pusa ko.
Ano yung mama, ang cute ng pusa niya. Wow. Ayun yung kami. 1, 2, 3. Mataba ka lang. You know, we have foods. And yung favorite ko dito ay yung halo-halo nila. La.
Pagod. Pagod ka na agad, bebe?
just want you under the lights. I just want you when it's my time. I just want you breaking my stride. I just want you. I wanna let you go, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two to get confused. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now we're something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't see that we're only friends. But I can't see that we're only friends.
When I'm playing with my cat, I'm actually imagining the scene first before I write them.
I just want to let you know that I wrote one page for 453 words. Lala, what can you say about 453 words? Is it still good? Huh? Good? Not good? No. No? La, is 450 words enough? Huh? Oh, look at that face.
Na! 1, 2, 3. Nak, picture ka na.
That we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't see that we're only friends.
La? 1, 2, 3. Smile. La?
But I can't see that we're only
Bumaba na.
wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't see that we're only friends.
Look at that la. We're here sa ilog. Yan, after namin magsulat, ay gumala muna kami dito sa ilog, malapit din sa amin. Yan, sobrang masaya naman si Lala, hindi lang halata. Kaya bumaba kami dito and we're enjoying the place.
while relaxing. Sleepy ka na lang? What can you say about your experience sa gala-gala la? Ha? La? Selos si Lala. Mag-isa ka lang. Da, selos ka la? Lala alone.
Now, bye now, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. See you next vlog.